करीब 1200 से ऊपर बच्चे तो हम लोग प्लस 2 खुद जनरेट करते हैं। बस छोड़ दीजिए सर, वो अपने कर लेगा।
पानी सर, पानी
पानी
सर ये सामने सर।
हाँ
थैंक यू
सर है सर, पानी सर।
टॉवल
थोड़ी सी धोने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो मिट्टी नहीं लगी, बस वो दे दीजिए। हाँ ये वाला स्प्रिंकलर। थैंक यू। थोड़ी देर
दो थैंक यू सर।
कोविड प्रोटोकॉल, क्योंकि प्रमोद सिंह का इस साल कोविड का प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो
research organizations. In our society, a number of schools and colleges are running. The first school established by the society is GGPS Sector 5, Bokaro, Jharkhand in 1979. Thereafter, they have established another school in 2003, GGPS Chas, Bokaro, Jharkhand. In 2004, we have established two schools, GGPS Dhanbad and GGPS Dalgate Jharkhand. In 2011, we have established a technical campus, Guru Gobind Singh Educational Society Technical Campus, Charles Bokaro. In 2017, we have established another school, GGPS Mohali Punjab, and recently we have established a school in 2019, GGPS Hoshiarpur Punjab. Our first school is established in 1979, GGPS Sector 5 Bokaro, with a strength is 2,213. Next one, GGPS Dhanbad, established in 2004, a student strength is 2,013. In 2017, we have established GGPS Mohali Punjab. Then after GGPS Hoshiarpur Punjab, established in 2019 with a strength of 540. Now about our technical campus is established in 2011 under the age of Guru Gobind Singh Educational Society in the Bokaro district. It is the first and only institute, technical institute in the district of Bokaro. It is known as premier institute in the state of Jharkhand as a college of engineering and management. GGS CSMC is approved by AICTE, New Delhi, Government of India, and affiliated to Jharkhand University of Technology, Ranchi, Government of Jharkhand. Our vision is to establish one of the best premier institute in nation worldwide through providing quality education and research facility in the field of engineering and management education for technocrats and professionals who are professionally sound, technically competent, ethical, cultured, eco-friendly screening campus for the betterment of student and society. Our mission is to uplift the socially, economically backward students through imparting quality technical and professional education and exposure, to develop a world-class learning environment for students through quality of teaching and research. Another one, to develop an eco-friendly and learning-oriented ambience campus where a value-based teaching and learning process are emerging and imparting to students. To develop a qualitative, objective-based professional and technological training resource fully to the students in order to become a good human with knowledge oriented for earning his health service for the betterment of the society. And we have technical campus with the 5 program specialization: civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and mechanical engineering in undergraduate program. And then after we have a post-graduate program, Master of Business Administration with 3 specialization: HR, Finance, and Marketing. Our campus highlights it huge infrastructure with well-maintained buildings, advanced equipped laboratories with latest equipment and technology, smart classrooms, seminar halls for each course. Another one, we have excellent central and digital library for the students equipped with both digital and printed study resources. We have about 10,000 manual volumes, 1,500 plus titles, 200 plus national and international journals, 3,400 online journals with the sitting capacity of the student at a time is 300. We have an auditorium with the sitting capacity of 1,000 students, ambient light, we have grounds and for the various games. We have high wind technology, online computer labs, more than 300, as we have intake of 300, so we have 1:1 ratio of PC in our campus. We are also providing the transportation facility for the safe and cheap transporting connecting to the various corners of the city. Apart from this, we have hostel for the girls and boys separately with the capacity of 250. Sir, Director, Dr. Vyaspa, Dean Academics, Dr. Ramesh Chandra, Dean R&D, and Dr. Rajiv Khan, training and placement in charge of the campus. In mechanical engineering, there is 12 faculties in mechanical engineering science. All have minimum experience of 6 basic science and humanities. Apart from this, in our campus, we are providing a sports room and playground with the sports facility for indoor as well as outdoor games, auditorium for the cultural fest, food court, canteen, bank and ATM facility. We are also established different clubs in our campus, sports club, music club, cultural club, literacy club, radio club, robotics club for the overall development of our students.
Our President of GGS Society, Sri Tarsen Singh sir, Honorable Secretary of GGS Society, Sri Surendra Singh sir, Professor Dr. Pradip Kumar Mishra, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Jharkhand University of Technology, and our Chief Guest to the Meditation of Orientation Program, Professor Dr. D.K. Singh, Honorable Director, BIT Sindri, and our guest of honor to this program. Sri Harpal Singh, Honorable Society Member, Sri Hardeep Singh, Honorable Society Member, respected Technical Advisor Dr. C.D. Singh sir, Professor Dr. Ramesh Chandra Rao, Dean Research, Dr. Abhinav Kumar, Dean Academics, Professor Dr. A.P. Banwal, Program Coordinator, all heads of the departments, faculties, staff, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure and I feel proud and honored to welcome Professor Dr. Pradip Kumar Mishra, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Jharkhand University of Technology, and Professor Dr. D.K. Singh, Honorable Director, BIT Sindh. I extend warm welcome to everyone present here. Our institute, Guru Gobind Singh Educational Society's Technical Campus in GGSS is a college of engineering and management established in 2011 by a non-profit society, a non-profit making society, GGES. This is the only educational institute in the Bokaro for providing BTech in technical education and MBA in master management. It is well equipped and with highly qualified and experienced faculty members and well-equipped laboratories to develop the necessary skills of the students, and many more things already have described just before me. So let me address the students, main students. We are handling for you different types of training and placements, particularly maybe this is your aim also. At the end of 4 years, you have to be placed. So our institute is trying its level best, and also the students are very good quality. They are being placed in TCS, Infosys, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Go, and many more, Vivo Mobile, etc. So my dear students, your orientation program is going to be over from today. You have already been introduced to our college faculties, departmental infrastructure, good academic environment. So from next Wednesday, regular online classes will be held based on routine. And you must attend 100% classes along with participating in extracurricular activities. My dear students, keep your ambition high, channelize your energy to study time management and hard work to achieve success, and not stop till your aim or goal is reached. In real life, we inherit properties from parents. Parents ऐसे ही दे देते हैं, ग्लैड दे देते हैं अपने बच्चे को, उनका challenging world. Wishing you all the best. Be blessed by Almighty with enough strength and happiness to face the future challenges. Thank you.